मैडम नमस्ते।
हेलो,
आप कैसे हो? ठीक है।
आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू।
ये 2 दिन का जो आप लोग का प्रोग्राम था ना,
Yeah.
हाउ इज द फील, हाउ इज एक्सपीरियंस?
Me myself, I am an assistant engineer from PWD itself.
Exactly.
So I was a part of the organizing committee. This program specifically wasn't restricted to only PWD engineers. बाकी departments से भी थे, technical departments से. So I had hosted, anchored the program as well. So in my opinion, this kind of program has happened after a long time.
Yes.
Once it was conducted, I think in 2021 हमने ही कराया था.
Okay.
It was in collaboration with the Indian Road Congress. उसके बाद अभी हुआ है, so it's happening after a gap of 4 years.
यस मैडम।
तो एंड इंडक्शन ट्रेनिंग तो we were the last batch जिनका हुआ था. उसके बाद
Yes.
तो इंडक्ट मतलब सर्विसेज में रिक्रूटमेंट भी नहीं हुआ. So it's been a
Yes.
long gap. So in my opinion कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा ये था, इनिशिएटिव था फ्रॉम द ट्रेनिंग एंड विजिलेंस चीफ इंजीनियर्स ऑफिस के साइड से एंड इन कोलैबोरेशन विद द इंडियन बिल्डिंग कांग्रेस
Yes.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश चैप्टर. सो एक तो इट प्रोवाइड्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल लेवल ऑफ इंजीनियर्स टू
Yes,
इंटरैक्ट,
exactly.
starting from junior engineers to the chief engineer and the secretary.
Yes.
The secretary sir had also come, principal secretary sir and even chief secretary sir has attended. So it provides a very good platform where you can come and interact with your own department and
Yes.
other technical departments as well. वो भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है. दूसरा इज द 2 सेशंस, 2 दिन का सेशंस जो आपने देखा, वेरी वेरी वंडरफुल सेशंस, वेरी वंडरफुली क्यूरेटेड. द स्पीकर्स हु हैड कम, निर्मल सर तो हैड कम बिफोर
Yes,
also.
exactly.
I myself had hosted him. उसके बाद सोनी सर also is taken one more session. Very important topics उन्होंने लिया जो डिस्प्यूट आर्बिट्रेशन के ऊपर में, which is
Yes,
like
yes.
अभी देख रहे हो so many construction projects are coming up.
Yes.
हमारा मेन इशू होता है आर्बिट्रेशन में. So
Yes.
all these things were taken care of and again retrofitting के बारे में बताया, earthquake engineering के बारे में, bridge designing. Dr. Atop Lego has spoken about him. Dr. Atop Lego sir, if you know, I had also personally worked under him for 2.5 years.
Okay.
So sir is retired as chief engineer design and planning PWD. So he is a lone structural engineer who designed bridges in the whole of
Okay.
Northeast.
Okay.
So उन लोगों से सीख के तो it was a very wonderful
यस यस।
opportunity. Yeah.
और मेरा मतलब ना क्वेश्चन रहेगा क्योंकि अरुणाचल इतने खूबसूरत जगह है,
Yes,
ये गॉड
absolutely.
गिफ्टेड है.
Yeah.
ये कोई फॉरेन कंट्री से में कमी नहीं है.
Yes,
हमारा
yes,
अरुणाचल
absolutely.
क्या नहीं है हमारा अरुणाचल में? थोड़ा बताइए ना देशवासियों को अरुणाचल के बारे में क्या बताना
See,
चाहेगा?
Arunachal is as known as land of downlit mountains and
Yes.
land of rising sun. We have the first sunrise in the country in Dong Valley. जब आप अंजाव डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाएंगे, वहाँ पे फर्स्ट सनराइज होता है कंट्री का. That's why it is called the land of rising sun.
Yes.
And अभी recently अरुणाचल टूरिज्म का नया टैगलाइन होस्ट हुआ है, अरुणाचल beyond myths and mountains.
Yes.
Okay, it's such a wonderful tagline of the Arunachal
Exactly.
tourism. It's beyond the myths and the mountains.
Yes.
And see, we have very diversity of the geographical features. We have plains है हमारा. If you go towards East Siang, Pasigat है,
Yes.
Namsai है, Lower Dibang Valley.
Zero.
Zero है. Zero is slightly plateau है.
Yeah.
बाकी plains है. फिर Zero, if you go to Zero, Lower Subansiri district में, it is established itself in the international tourism map. We have
Exactly.
Zero Festival of Music also,
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
international acclaimed festival है. हर साल होता है. अभी
हाँ,
सितंबर को भी होगा.
हाँ.
So you should come and experience it.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
even cultural tourism भी काफी अच्छा है वहाँ पे.
Yes.
Then again, geographical features के बारे में बात करें, if you go to the westernmost part, we have 2 districts, Tawang and West Kameng है.
Yes.
We have Tawang के बारे में तो no matter what I say, it will be less.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So tourism sector is so well developed in the western 2 districts. आप देखिए, we have Tawang Monastery, which is the second largest
Yes,
monastery
yes.
in Asia. Or if you go towards the western side भी देखिए, या even if you come to the eastern side, अभी if you come to Namsai देखिए, we have Golden Pagoda. We recently organized Golden Pagoda
Yes.
marathon भी organize किया था, जहाँ पे हमने international level के players runners भी बुलाए थे.
Yes.
So it's quite diverse. Like even
Yes.
and Mechuka.
Yes.
If you have ever been there, it's quite slightly far, थोड़ा दूर है. But once you go there, you get a feel of like you don't feel like you're in India anymore.
देशवासियों को क्या
It's
बताएगा?
beautiful. I would tell them to please take your time out and come and explore this beautiful part of our country.
Yes.
It is a continent in itself, It's a mix of various geographical features
Yes.
and a very diverse in terms of communities.
Yes,
कि
yes.
हमारे every district में भी you will get different communities.
Different communities.
Many tribes and many sub-tribes. तो
Yes.
आप हर लोकेलिटी, हर गांव में आपका डायलेक्ट बदलता है, right?
Yes,
The
yes.
cuisines are also like very very wonderful. So I
Yes,
would request
exactly.
everyone to come and explore it.
प्यारे देशवासियों, आप लोग को सभी को ये बताऊंगा, मैडम को आशीर्वाद दीजिए जीवन का. बाद में मैडम आगे जाइए, हमारे देश के लिए अच्छा काम करेगा.
Thank you
धन्यवाद.
so much.